Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a little explanation on this video. I don't normally do like little crafty things like this on my YouTube channel, but I decided that I was going to go ahead and video this anyway because I'm actually making these and selling them. My wife has a small business that she started, and she's grown it to a point to where she wants to move it online and start shipping products that she's selling out. And essentially these products are baby accessories like pacifiers, pacifier clips, teethers, things like that. And the reason why she kind of went that route, I don't know exactly how she all kind of got to where she is now, but essentially we had a couple of miscarriages. One of them was a little bit later term and was really hard on her. And so she's got a really soft spot for people who struggle to conceive and have children and start their families. And so obviously, you know, there's a lot of other like a little more selfish motivation to starting this business, as you know, supporting our own family with it and everything. But I think she plans to donate like a small percentage of the profits she makes every single year to a family to help them either adopt or you know, do the other forms of that, you know, I don't even know what they're even called, but you know, helping people basically conceive children. And it'll be, because that stuff's all really expensive. And so this is just part of it. We're going to be selling these signs. Basically, you can buy a sign with your kid's initial. You can even do it with your family. It really doesn't matter what your purpose is. But we're just putting one initial on these little signs. And maybe we'll expand it just depending on how much people are really interested in these. But I just wanted to explain kind of why I made this video. I made it essentially for the website, for the product that we're selling. But yeah, so I thought I'd throw it up on the YouTube channel, and because it's totally relevant to what I do, I guess. I don't normally do the crafts. But anyways, guys, I've talked way too long as it is, so I hope you have a good one, and I appreciate you watching.